Hi creative friend, it's Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and today we're joining in the DIY and Home Decor Challenge hosted by Christina of the DIY Mommy. For the challenge, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 fun and festive craft ideas for the holidays. Welcome back to our channel. Here at Sustain My Craft Habit, we share creative, nature-inspired DIY, craft, and home decor ideas, and we'd love for you to subscribe. This is actually our 3rd year participating in the DIY and Home Decor Challenge hosted by Christina. She has an amazing YouTube channel, so I really encourage you to check it out. She's a wealth of knowledge related to DIY and inspiration for your home and family. So be sure to pop on over, visit her channel, subscribe there, and check out all the other videos in the playlist for the challenge. If you're looking for any Christmas inspiration, gift ideas, how to decorate your home, lots of inspiring projects to explore. Okay, so the 3 craft ideas I'd like to show you are right here. Each of these crafts are beautiful to decorate your home on their own. They'd make great gift ideas, adorable stocking stuffers, or I'm planning to gift them to the kids' teachers. So here we have a set of hand-lettered wood slice ornaments. And these were pretty simple to make. Took some wood slices, drilled a hole, just painted the inside white. I like to hand letter, but the simplest way is to just practice with pencil and then go over it with a Sharpie marker, a black permanent marker. And you can put any saying on them. You could do them reversible, have something different on the back side. Mine are all one-sided, but they are just really cute. You could even use them to embellish gifts, put them as gift toppers, or just display them on their own as little works of art in a simple photo frame. So the second craft I'd like to show you are these adorable mason jars. They look really pretty on their own in a chalky finish. So I really just took 3 different colors, a red, green, and white chalky finish paint, painted the outside, 1 simple coat, and then when it dried, gave them a light sanding. So then you can see they're a little bit opaque and embellishes the design on them. But what I love about them is while they look pretty as decoration, you can also stuff them with goodies. So this was full of Hershey's Kisses, but my kids have discovered them, so they've slowly been dwindling and disappearing. And again, this is a great gift idea for a Secret Santa, a coworker, teachers, neighbors, anybody really, or just keep them for yourself. The 3rd gift idea are these adorable buffalo check terracotta pots. So I just painted the inside and outside of the pot in green, red, or white, again with the same chalky finish paint. So this is really nice. You can stick to a similar color scheme and then everything will coordinate for the holidays. After that, I mixed together a little bit of the green with a little bit of black and just did simple lines at the top and bottom of the jar. And then when those dried, again vertically from the top to the bottom of the terracotta pots. And this created a grid. In the overlapping sections of the grid, I simply added the black paint. So it's not perfect, but it's adorable, and it really gives you that buffalo check effect. So you can fill them up with anything. I bought some gumballs, pearl gumballs at the bulk store, put them in little baggies with a ribbon, and there you go. Again, adorable gifts for the teachers, just to have if somebody stops by and something to give them when you leave as stocking stuffers or any other ideas. This is the 3rd year that we're participating in the DIY and Home Decor Challenge hosted by Christina. The first year we decorated my mantle in a rustic way with lots of DIY projects. And last year we converted it into a fun coastal Christmas mantle. So we have videos for those. I invite you to check them out. So there you have it, 3 simple Christmas crafts for the holidays. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. For more creative Christmas ideas, we invite you to stop by our blog, sustainmycrafthabit.com. I'll leave some links to some other Christmas craft ideas for you in the description to this video. And again, Visit all the videos in this playlist, and Christina at the DIY Mommy, thank you so much for hosting this challenge. Happy holidays! Bye!